Howdy Tarnished, this is Darkalon and welcome back to my channel for part 24 of Elden Ring. Last episode we went around the map to collect some more items and equipment in preparation for the Red Main Castle where Star Scourge Radahn is. Finally, the infamous Radahn. But we're prepping for it right now. So this episode we'll just continue our preparation by collecting some upgrade materials for our weapons as well as our spirit ashes, which at this point I mainly use Oleg. He's pretty good in terms of pulling aggro for at least the first little bit of a boss fight. So first we are actually at the Gael Tunnel, I believe it's called. It's a tunnel at Caelid. The reason I'm here is actually, or we're starting here first, is because before the video, I was prepping for this video, and I was trying to grab this grace, but turns out if you come down here to the Gael Tunnel, you actually get stuck. You pretty much have to go through the tunnel if you're coming down here. So that's why we're starting here. After that, we're going to try to potentially hit a couple of more dungeons if we have time, but otherwise we will also get the Rain of Arrow upgrade because I found out how to get it. So let's go ahead and clear this dungeon. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, once you get here, you're supposed to drop down from up there. But once you do, you're stuck. You can't even warp out of here. So if you're low level exploring, then yikes, you're gonna have to find a way out through here. So also, let's see. I did some tests with one of the Ash of Wars we picked up, Double Slash. Turns out it is an awesome Ash of War. It totally deserves to replace Unsheath for the most part because it is a Ash of War that lets you slash multiple times, which helps with blood buildup. Also, you could still use it without FP, at least a movement. It won't. I don't think it's that strong, but you can still use it as a movement. But that fast movement will help with blood loss, which ends up making it a very useful Ash of War for this build. I also went ahead and upgraded my bow so we could pick up that new Ash of War. Ooh. And not to mention this Double Slash Ash of War costs less than Unsheath, and depending on your angle, it can be a little bit of a crowd control as well. You would think these guys are strong to fire, but I guess not. Oh. Land octopus. Oh, there's two guys here. See, as you can see, it builds blood and it breaks poise. It's a very powerful Ash of War in my opinion. Little land octopus. It's like all the other tunnels, the miners don't really care about you while they're digging. Oh yeah, also this tunnel contains a lot of smithing stone 4s, which is perfect to upgrade our weapon before we're done. Who the... Oh my gosh. Oh, dang, that was stupid. I didn't know they explode. Still keeping Redmane over Hoarfrost though. I just love the poise breaking. Give me all the items. Pickles. Pickles, pickles. Okay. Got everything here. That charge up slash. I will say they're hitting pretty hard, so I gotta really slow down a bit. Make sure there's no sneaky guys. Ooh, I Spartan kicked his ass. Guess I'll go down there. Oh, there's a guy. Let's go up that other route first. Let's check this route first. Ooh. Armament ahead. Enemy ahead as well? Projectile weapon. Oh, snap. Snappity snap. Oh, I see a big one. Boy. What does it spray? No, please get away from me. Let's get the little ones first. Dang, dude. Quit. Alright, come on, little one. Let's beat you up first. These things are scary. Imagine you're swimming and you see this thing. Oh, he's a tough one. Oh, that's the weapon I need. Oh, I forgot he can heal by eating his own tentacles. See how much I'm hitting with the double slash and bleed buildup? Oh, quit. Hey, yo. Not to mention, this also, on top of a blood buildup, works very well with this talisman. Each successive attack raises attack power, so double slash, definitely a win. It's only going to be better once we get a stronger version of the insignia. But yeah, that other thing I just picked up, the weapon over here. I don't think I could use it right now though. Let's see. There it is. It's another weapon from the Land of Reed. So although it's not a katana, it's definitely a samurai weapon. So yes, it is fair game for this build. And it have a higher blood loss build up. So eventually we're gonna test this one out. But right now I want to focus putting points into Dex and Arcane. So once we get it to a decent area, we're gonna move it a couple to Strength so we could use this weapon. Okay, let's get on out. Oh, I really need a grace soon. Ooh, I hit first. It's kind of hard to see these things. I gotta make sure I walk around the room first. I want to collect all the smithing stone cores. At least until... They're useful until we get that smithing stone bell bearing 2, which will let you buy smithing stones 3 and 4. Any sneakies over here? Oh. Oh. That's right. The boss of this dungeon is the it's a dragon. Holy schmoly. Oh. That's Alexander. I almost whacked him. I think it's Alexander. He doesn't attack me though.
Oh, the esteemed warrior. Where did you spring from?
Hello.
This is supposed to be a dead end, I'm sure of it. What's going on here? A door from thin air. Well, stranger things happen at sea, or so I'm told. But onward to the Caelid wilds. Gosh, that dead end had me rather stumped. It's time I set off to the festival at Redmane Castle on the southern edge of the scarlet rot-blighted Caelid wilds. Doesn't the thought just set your heart aflutter? It's time I set off to the festival. Doesn't the thought...
He's talking about the Redmane Castle Festival of Warriors, I believe. Oh, there it is. There's the Grace. Wait, I've been here before? Wait a minute. I've been here before? I thought it does that little thing when it's a new Grace. Well, I don't think it would have let me gone through here anyways, so... I guess I keep heading this way. Oh, wait, I have been here before. Oh. I see. Got it. Well, that was a short dungeon. Okay. Now we just gotta go beat up that boss. Yeah, I don't think it would have let me in if I came from that direction. Let me make sure I grabbed, hold on. Keep pressing the wrong button. Smithing stones, 4s, 15. Okay. I think I got all of it. Okay. We're good. We can go ahead and beat up this dude. I don't just think this guy have much any specific weaknesses, so we are going to have to do our best. And no horse riding too. Let's see. Let's do this. Let's pop this. Pop this. Pop this. Pop this. Come on, hurry up. Holy moly, gotta be careful of his magnum. Oh, he hits pretty hard. I already took down my guy. Ooh, he's got a sword, I forgot. Oh, yikes. Chill, 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 chill. What is that, for those who've played Monster Hunter World, I forgot what the blue guy that shoots magma is called. He reminds me of that dragon. Hey, yo, yo, yo. Oh, don't do that. Come on, blood proc him. Holy moly. See, as you can see, I'm still using double slash, just not using the, I guess, the actual Ash of War, but the motion itself still helps with the successive attack and the blood build. And that is why it deserves to take over and cheat. Ooh. The infamous Moonveil. If I was partial magic build, I would totally use that katana. But we are not. Also, I did change my physics. Instead of using the opaline bubble tier, where it pops after one strong hit, I am using the hard tier that we got from that putrid avatar we fought. I think last episode, which I did some tests, and it gives an overall higher defense for a period of time. So I think that's ultimately better than just a one hit and done type deal. And I'm pairing that with the healing over time. Yeah, your turn. Okay, not too bad. We did what we gotta do.
It's time I the festival, doesn't the thought?
Can we level up? Not yet. Okay. Okay, now we can warp to... I'm trying to remember. We will now attempt to get the... Oh, wait. It's a very tricky way to get it. I would like to use my runes before doing that. If that's the case, we're going to do another dungeon first, which is in Weeping Peninsula. It should be the... Is it this one? Crap, I didn't mark it. I think it's the... It might have been over here somewhere. Yeah, I think it's over here somewhere. Let's warp here. Actually, I think it's over here. And this particular dungeon will let us grab some ghost gloveworts to upgrade our Oleg. Uh... We need to jump up there somehow. Whee! These failures isn't worth our time. They are not worthy. I think it's somewhere. Oh, Grace, Grace, Grace. Oh, nope, it's on the other side over there. Should be. What the heck? Whoa. Ooh. Have I not been over here? A lot of poison flowers. Poisonous flowers. There's a Grace right there. Oh, that's where I was. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, chill. Where the heck is it? Oh. Over here, perhaps? Where is this catacomb? Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Can I not jump from here? Here? No. Where is this stinking place? Oh, what the heck? That scared the crap out of me. Okay, I'm way off. Let's see. Let's try the other side. Doody 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 doo. Okay, I think it's this side. Whee! Oh, I see that little statue guy. Usually it points to the catacombs. Whoa. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. There's a little boss guy there. That's one of the guys we fought at Rhea Academy. The purple guy. Hey, hey. Chill, chill, chill. Didn't even drop anything for me. It's pointing which way? Down there? There's a guy here. Ooh, stone sword, nice. Alright, where is it? Okay, it's definitely down there. Definitely down there. Making my way downtown. Walking fast, there it is. Riding my horse to the catacombs. There we go. Alright, the goal is to collect the little glove warts. But of course we're gonna clear this dungeon anyways. Hey, you butt. Yeah, this dungeon shouldn't give us too much trouble. I don't want to speak too soon though. Wait a minute. Where's the grace? Oh, I'm stupid, I already hit it. I just didn't shit down. I just didn't pop a squat first. Oh no, I don't need to. Wait, I did. Never mind. Wait, did I? Look at that little guy. Come on. I see y'all. Stop. Idiot. Ghost, not grave. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's go this. Right. Oh. Sneaky boy. Another grave. Down? Oh, what? Oh my goodness. I was just trying to get this loot. I didn't know there was some stabbies up there. First off trap, then vision rolling. Oh. Oh no. How the heck am I supposed to? All the more pathetic. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. I think I was supposed to touch it, let it raise up, and then drop down. But now I'm stuck. Ooh! Yup. Same trick, different catacomb. There we go, we got a ghost. One of them. Ooh, zombies. No, bad zombie. Wah! Wait, did I get back up? Oh no, they just keep coming. They explode. Ugh, they just keep coming. Wow! Hey. That's not nice. Alright, I'm not gonna keep fighting y'all. Oh, heck no. I'm just trying to get some flowers. Leave me alone. There we are. Oh. Sneaky bastard. Alright, I think we got everything. Think we got everything. Whee! Oh, that's awesome. Brought us straight here. Pop this. Oh, wrong thing. We're not even gonna do a summon. I don't think we need to. Oh, maybe we do. Blood loss. Never underestimate From Software games. Oh my gosh, the little guys are annoying. There we go. Ooh! Demi-human ashes. Got it. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Let's see if we can level up. Let's see if we can level up. Very close. Close enough where we can go ahead and warp here. I think it... I'm trying to remember where it is. Yeah, it should be here. I need to warp here. It's like down here somewhere. But let's warp here first. We're gonna knock out a couple of enemies that should drop like about 1,300 rune per kill. It's a good farming spot. But we're just gonna get enough to level up real quick. So like these little guys, they give a hefty bunch. Alright, that should be enough. Let's warp here. I'm gonna have to remember how to get that Ash of War for my bow. It's a lot of cliff jumping. So a wrong step could just send you flying down. That's why I try to level up first. Let's see, let's give it to... I've been alternating Arcane and Dex, so I gave Dex one last time, Arcane this time. We basically just gotta go back to where we fought the big guy that was giving us a lot of trouble, the putrid avatar. And there's a little spot where you jump off a cliff very carefully. Ooh. I definitely took the long way, but it's okay. Okay, this is... wait. Okay, yeah. We fought the big guy here last time, so... the Ash of War is... or should be... where's that little corner? Here it is. A little corner right here. It's all the way down there. So I gotta... Oh! Carefully... Did I level up already? Okay, I did. 300. Perfect. Oh no. And then I got to jump. Oh, this is so scary. I think I gotta jump on that branch. Okay. Gonna hop on. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Jump here. And then... that little brick right there. No! Oh my gosh. Too far. You get the idea. Let's do it again. Oh no, where's it gonna send me? Okay, we need to warp to a better place. A closer place. Let's go here. I think it's just across the bridge. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thunderstruck. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's try that again. I might as well. No, why'd I do that? Oh! Dang it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. It is tricky. And I wish it was freaking closer. Ooh. Okay. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, what the heck? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, if that is... Oh, no! If that was too high for me... No, no, no! What the heck, dude? You kidding me? I slipped! Okay, I'm gonna give it a couple more tries, and then I'm gonna end the video here. But you get the idea. You just kind of hop, you know, tree to tree and then collect it. I just don't want to spend the last however long of the video doing this. I'm gonna give it one more go. But we did accomplish 2 dungeons, so pretty good. There was a bigger one I would like to have completed, but we can do that one next episode along with a couple of more things. Like I said, the main goal besides collecting these equipments and items is also to level up to be comfortably above the recommended level for Radon, so we don't have to fight him 80 times. That's like nothing. Where would be the next drop? I want to take off my horse, actually. The horse is kind of slippery. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. See? He falls and then runs off, idiot. Okay. Would I want to jump there? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Next jump is that branch. Okay. Think we are safe. Okay, nice. It should be... Oh no. It was supposed to be... There... Huh? There it is. Haha. Yes. And there we go. And that's a boss. We're not gonna fight him. Yet. Do we have time? Maybe. Yeah, why not? Let's whoop his butt. Oh my gosh, I'm barely doing anything. Whoa. Holy moly. We are not ready for him. Yeah. Well, we got what we need, so. Okay. let's go ahead and call it here. If you enjoyed this episode and this playthrough so far, please give this video a like and leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next episode.